Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. The Christmas and the holidays are right behind the corner. And in Polish kitchens and in Polish families, cooking right now never stops. And I would like to show you today one of the most beautiful cabbage dishes that is a queen and a king on the table, not only as itself, but it can also be used to stuff pierogi. So there are two steps for a lovely pierogi. First is the dough, second is the filling. Today we're gonna make beautiful cabbage filling. So what you're gonna need is chopped onion, some sliced apple, some plums and prunes and cranberries. I also have here mushrooms that have been soaking. Those are dry mushrooms, parsley, and cabbage that I have washed before because it was a bit sour. I'm gonna need a pot, and that's pot. I'm gonna pour some oil in here and then start sauteing my chopped onion. About 2 tablespoons of the oil. To this sauteed onion, I'm gonna add my cabbage. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cranberry seeds, some salt, and some pepper. And let it cook on high heat for a minute. In Polish, zasmażać. Add my apples. I'm gonna strain my mushrooms and also add them. I'm gonna fry that for a minute and add my mushroom liquid, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable stock, and a glass of white wine. For the end, I'm gonna add my prunes and my cranberries. I'm gonna leave it like that to get all the alcohol out for about 20 minutes on a medium heat, and then I'm gonna add my parsley. But you can already smell the wine, the cranberries, the beautiful mushrooms. It smells like Christmas in one pot. So my cabbage is ready, but what I'm gonna add to it is parsley and a bit of olive oil. So my cabbage is ready and it smells delicious. I can smell the mushrooms, the cabbage, the cranberries and the wine in it, and this is just perfect. I can taste the sourness of the sauerkraut, but it is so well balanced with the mushrooms and the sweet prunes and the sweet cranberries. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. SMACZNEGO. This is one of the most beautiful Polish traditions of sharing and breaking opłatek brings joy and happiness. That's why today I would like to share it with all of you. With all my friends and family spread around the world in Poland, Australia, Great Britain, Ireland, and United States, and everyone else watching, I would like to wish you joy and happiness and a lot of health for these holidays and for all next year. I wish you all very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Wesołych Świąt.